Hey, what's going on? All right, so in this video, we're going to talk about how to avoid bad voiceover advice for your business, for your voiceover business, that is. Okay, let's just get right into it. Oh, hold up, wait a minute. Almost forgot. If you're new here and we're just meeting for the first time, my name is Anthony Fleischmann. I'm a full-time voiceover artist here in Baltimore, Maryland. And on this channel, I provide tips, tricks, and tools to help you grow your voiceover business. All right, let's just dive right into it. Okay, first and foremost, okay, all you new voiceover artists out there, you have to comprehend the game, if you would, of internet marketing, okay? You have to understand from the very beginning, okay, everyone is selling something, okay? Everyone is trying to earn a living. Everyone is going to try to play the internet marketing game, okay? And if you don't understand this from the very beginning, it's a setup for failure, okay? So what do I mean by this? Well, typically, right, people that are doing videos, right, they're not just doing it out of the kindness of their heart, okay? It's a business, right? Businesses are designed to make money. Okay, pretty simple, right? You want to make money. I want to make money. People out there want to make money. Okay, there's nothing wrong with that. Okay, typically there's a few ways they make money. Yes, they make money maybe off of Google ads, right? Maybe they'll make some money off of affiliate marketing, right? Maybe they might review a microphone, something along those lines, and then have a link down at the bottom and go and try to push you to buy a particular microphone. Nothing wrong with that. But you, as a new voiceover artist, need to comprehend that and need to understand their motives. Okay? Because most of the time, this has been my experience from what I've seen out there, most of the time, people just aren't straight with you, right? They'll go through this big, huge, elaborate circle instead of just getting to the point and being direct. Hey, I'm trying to push a microphone on you so you can go and buy this. I'm doing a video so you'll buy this particular microphone, right? It's the best Blue Yeti or whatever it is yet, right? Like, and a lot of people do this with cameras as well. And it's really, it borderlines on shady to me, right? If you're just straight up with people and you let them know, look, I'm doing this video so I can go and earn some commission when you go and buy a microphone. Nothing wrong with that. Just keep it real with people, right? You know, whatever it is, right? A lot of people also do this with courses, right? They'll go and do this whole big song and dance instead of just being straight with the people that have subscribed to them, right? Or the people that watch their videos and say, hey, look, I'm going to be kicking out a course here pretty soon. And I just want to put that out there so everybody's aware, right? That way, when they're doing these videos, right, you understand the motivation behind that, right? You don't want to buy the course, don't buy the course, right? Not a big deal. But be open and transparent about that. Speaking of which, I will be going and kicking out a course here pretty soon, okay? And a lot of these videos are geared to getting subscribers, to helping people find me, to know me, to like me, and to trust me, right? I have a very, very good concept, idea, and product in the works in regards to a course. I'd like to share that with everybody and they can benefit from it, right? Straightforward, honest, open, no shadiness, right? But a lot of people will, again, go and do the song and dance, right? They won't do just what I just did, okay? They'll try to secretly build this following, right? And this community, right? And then what will they do? Well, just when you think everything's going good, they'll throw a sales pitch at you, right? Okay. It's their world, right? It's their channel. Cool. But why not just be straight with people, right? Why not just be straight with people and tell them up front, look, I got a course coming out. It's going to be incredible, right? This course that I'm putting, I'm so excited about it. I poured my heart and my soul into it. And I know you're going to love it, right? Why don't people just do that, right? Why don't people just do that, right? Like they go we'll offer you a free consultation and like, come on, man, give it to people straight. Talk straight, right? Don't try to finagle people, right? It kind of reminds me of like when I'm going over to BJ's, right? On like a Sunday or something, which I try to not do, right? And you got like all these different people coming up to you, solicitors, right? Trying to talk to you about home improvement stuff. And you're just trying to pick up some bread, right? Like, okay, I don't want to talk to you. I'm just in here for some bread, man. Right? And that's what a lot of new voiceover artists kind of get trapped. Like they start following a particular, they go to BJ's, right? BJ's would be like YouTube, right? And they start looking around and then they maybe find something, but there's a solicitor approaching them. Or maybe they find somebody and they think they might know where the bread is. And then they start talking to them about a course or an affiliate product or something, right? You got to be really careful. You got to be really, really careful when you're first starting out as a voiceover artist, who you are listening to if you want to build a voiceover business, okay? And you have to understand internet marketing. People will smile at you. They will have best charismatic, flow about them. But ultimately, their goal, right, is to sell you on something. They're not doing this for free. So don't expect them to do it for free. Okay? Again, and I think that's where a lot of confusion also comes into play. You know, here on YouTube especially, right? People were looking for answers, right, to specific questions. And again, everyone does this. But what do you get when you pay zero, right? Typically, you get what you pay for. If you're not paying for anything, right, then what do you expect to get, right? So there's a lot of people out there trying to hustle courses because courses, you can make a lot of money off of courses, okay? And there's nothing wrong with that, right? I'm definitely a capitalist, okay? I believe everybody has the right to try to achieve as best they can and earn as best they can, okay? The only thing that kind of gets under my skin is when I see people using internet marketing techniques, right? And trying to manipulate, right, new and upcoming voiceover artists, right? The people that are just brand new to voiceover, okay? There's a lot of people that are flooding into the voiceover industry, okay? And you have certain individuals out there that are pushing courses, right? And there's probably nothing wrong with the courses, right? I haven't checked them out. I have no idea, okay? But the only thing that I'm going to say is I just wish they would be straight up. Okay, well, I'm back. The video had cut out on me, so I'm back here. So I was talking about just be straight with people, don't go and try to hustle people, don't try to do the soft sell tactic and, be all lovey-dovey and approachable and whatever. Look, just keep it real. Just keep it real. Whatever you're doing, right? If you're pushing microphones, if you're pushing courses, right? Nobody expects you to make videos for free. Okay. People understand that other people need to make money and earn a living, right? So just keep it real with them, right? Hey, I got this great course. You want to check it out? Here it is. If not, no problem, right? Don't keep pushing it, right? People will know that you have a course, right? Because I'm sure it'll be in the link in the description, right? I'm sure you'll go and put it wherever, okay? But for the new voiceover artists that are out there, right? Please, please, please be careful, right? Guard your emotions, guard your mind, right? Understand from the very beginning, right? Everybody's trying to earn a living here on YouTube, right? Whether it's, like I said, Google ads, affiliate marketing, books, courses, whatever it is. Not to mention voiceover services, okay? So understand, everybody that is producing YouTube videos in some way, shape, or form is trying to earn a living, is trying to make money, okay? You get what you pay for. And typically, unless you're, a paid member, right? Typically, right? YouTube doesn't charge you, right? You can subscribe to YouTube and pay for the subscription and things like that. But most people, right? They're watching YouTube videos for free and getting advice for free. Now, again, you have to take that, pay attention, new voiceover artists, okay, that are trying to create a business. You have to take whoever is speaking, myself included, right? Myself included. You have to take whatever advice with a grain of salt, okay? You don't, at this point, you may or may not know me, right? Do I sound credible? And even if I do, right? Am I trying to push something on the side? No, I just told you, right? Hey, I got a course coming out, right? That's simple. Most people will not be that direct, okay? Most people will go around and around and around in a circle until they feel, oh, I can do what I need to do and let people know about the course. Now, again, whether it's affiliate marketing, Google ads, books, services, again, voiceover services, whatever it is, people that create YouTube videos are doing it to earn a living, to make money, okay, or to supplement income. Either way, they're trying to generate revenue, okay? So please keep that in mind, new voiceover artists, okay, who are trying to develop a voiceover business. You got to understand how the game is played, right? You got to understand sales funnels, okay, and how that all works, okay, and the marketing and the selling of all of that, okay. There are so many people that I see out there there's so many people out there that I see that are trying to hustle other people, right? And it's one of those things, right? Because it hasn't been that long ago, right, that I was a new voiceover artist looking for answers. And I had to really dig and dig and dig and through trial and error, figure things out. Okay. And it really kind of gets under my skin to see people on YouTube, especially, trying to take advantage of the new voiceover artist. Okay. Like, come on, guys. Right? Come on. Just shoot straight with people. Okay. You guys know who you are. I'm not calling anybody out by name, but you guys know who you are. Right? And you're better than that. You're better than that. Right? If you got something to sell, cool, sell it. But do it with integrity. Okay? These people that are just coming in new, right? Probably have no clue about the game, the internet marketing game, right? So don't be shady, right? And take advantage of them, right? Keep it straight. Shoot straight with them, right? Because ultimately, you will reap what you sow. That's a universal law, right? Most of the major religions, right? Some people call it karma, whatever. You will reap what you sow. I'm not trying to be all preachy here, right? Like I said, it's just one of those things that you really need to be aware of, new voiceover artist, okay? That there are people out there that are preying on you and trying to take advantage of you, okay? That won't shoot straight with you, that won't talk direct, okay? Let me go to my next point here, okay? One of the reasons why new voiceover artists get taken advantage of so often, right, is because they're looking for easy answers to accomplish their goals, okay? And their goals specifically for building a voiceover business. But the reality is there is no easy way to build any business, right? That's a pipe dream. That's a freaking pipe dream. There is no easy way to build a voiceover business. So stop looking for the easy way to do it. I mean, it's like gambling, right? You want to roll the dice or pull the slot lever, and hopefully, maybe the fates align and you'll hit the jackpot. If you don't want to be taken advantage of, right, then stop looking for the easy way out, right? Stop looking for the easy way to build a business, because there is no easy way to build any business, let alone a voiceover business. Okay? There is no easy way. You know, like, and the people that prey upon new voiceover talent, right? New voiceover artists, they understand that you are looking for an easy way, right, to start a voiceover business. So they sell you what you want to hear. They tell you what you want to hear, and they sell you on the very idea that's already in your mind. And they know that, right? You have to be smarter than that, right? You can't sit back, right, and just be fed all this crap, all this garbage, right, and not question anything, right? Stop looking for the easy way to build a business. There is no easy way, okay? You know, what is it? Kung Fu Panda, right? There is no secret sauce, right? There is no secret recipe, right? Whatever it was, I can't remember the exact thing, right? But there's nothing secret here, right? Stop looking for an easy, secret way to do something that's going to revolutionize everything in your business. It doesn't work like that.